All right, today I'm going to talk about, and here are the iRobot replacement parts for the Roomba E and I series vacuum cleaners, robot vacuum cleaners. I'm going to talk about these parts really quick for you. Okay, so right here, I have the high efficiency filter. Now this filter is supposed to filter the air, okay, filters the air from the debris that is sucked up into the vacuum cleaner. These always have to be clean, and clear for the iRobot Roomba to operate properly. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of tapping or maneuvering to get some of the lint out of this, but if it becomes too clogged, you may need to get a new one of these high efficiency filters for it to be high efficiency. So very important right here. And the next is the edge sweeping brush. Now this right here gets the corners, gets the spaces that are just out of the reach of the Roomba vacuum cleaner. Very important right here. Over time, these will become worn down and will need to be replaced. Now this right here comes with a screw right here. So simply to take this off and put this in, you just simply unscrew it, screw it back in, screws back into place. Very handy to have. You want this to be in tip-top shape. The next are the rollers. Now these right here are a set of multi-surface rubber brushes. Very efficient with getting the debris off of the floor. So right here, these also over time will become worn down and will need to be replaced. So here are these rubber brushes right here. Now these are the replacement parts, some of the replacement parts. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.